What's up, y'all? I'm him, and I just got a new exhaust. It just arrived. I got the SC Project S1 for my StreetFighter V4S. I have scheduled the mechanic to come and pick up my bike tomorrow morning. They're gonna install the exhaust along with some new bar end mirrors. They're also gonna set up my suspension. Anyways, before I get it installed, I did want to take a moment to show what the exhaust looks like. I have only opened the box. I haven't actually opened up the actual exhaust to see what it looks like. Let's get into it. These are my Rizoma bar mounts, whatever you call them, bar weights. I bought this servo buddy something pieces of the exhaust. Yeah, so here it is. Solid piece of titanium and very light. We got the can here. The next time I see this, it should be on my bike. It's insane how light this is. Like, it's very light. I'm looking in it to make sure that there are no baffles. You can see straight through it. Hopefully y'all can see me. I can see you through there. It's not as beautiful looking as some of the other exhaust systems that I was looking at. I was gonna get the Aero exhaust system, but at the last minute I decided that I'll just stick with Project SC or SC Project. I've had them for my last exhaust and they are the cheapest option. This is just me being broke. I'm like, I'd rather pay $2,000 for an exhaust than to pay an extra $400. You gotta pick and choose where you spend your hundreds, I guess. Anyway, this is good enough for me. The guy's here. He's coming to pick up the bike, so about to head downstairs and give him this exhaust. Then I gotta go get my motorcycle, ride it up, and get it loaded up. The guy went to the wrong address. He went to another city. It's over an hour away. So, no issues, no worries. The guy's here. I gotta go downstairs to go get the motorcycle. Hopefully, I'll get the bike tomorrow. I don't think they're gonna get it installed today because it's so late. I'm gonna do a last startup. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how you?
I'm all right. Mechanic is here to pick up my bike.
Oh my gosh.
It's not bad. I'm getting a new exhaust installed. It's gonna be louder.
Okay.
It's gonna be
louder.
Yeah, ridiculously loud.
Scare the hell out of anybody.
Yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal. This is my last startup with the stock exhaust. Let me start it up right quick. This is what it sounds like. So we're getting it loaded up. I don't know when I'll see it again, but hopefully it'll be this weekend. Hopefully the new exhaust will sound dope as fuck. Just got the text message from the guy who's dropping my bike back off from the mechanic, and he's here. So about to head downstairs and go get my bike, see what it sounds like for the first time. I'm actually really excited. I've been dealing with this motorcycle sounding like a sewing machine since I bought it. Green and white. This is pretty dope. I love this exhaust. That exhaust is dope. Just got the bike. Here it is. Doing my first ride with the new exhaust. There's no tune. I can still ride it for now. Bought my tune, I think on the 8th. So it should be here, hopefully this week. All right, let's get this thing started. Sounding real good. Real good. I just got my tune, the air fuel mixture ratio, whatever that is, whatever that's called, that's off. This right here is going to fix that, and I should get some more power. And here's what's inside. We get some type of adapter. I forget what these are called. It's some type of serial port. And this looks to be the thing that you plug directly into the bike in the diagnostic port. We also get this thing right here. So this is not what I expected. I expected a tablet, but that's not what I have here. Really uncut. So I did a little bit of research and then found out that they no longer make the tablet that I thought I was buying, the V2. They only do this V3 version of it, which is tied to a phone and an account. I went ahead and created the account because it turns out I can't get the one that I wanted. Honestly, I'm getting to a point where I am getting sick and tired of every little thing requiring a phone and having a subscription or a login or an account. It's beginning to be too much. I don't like it, but given that this is something that I only have to do once, I'm going to go ahead and go for it. But yeah, this is not a pleasant experience at all. I thought I was paying $800 for a device with a screen that was completely plug and play, that was self-contained. So just took off the seat, plugged in the little thingamajig. It's plugged into the port here. I ended up plugging this in. It's not powering from this plug like it says it's supposed to do. Turn the ignition switch, check connections, and press OK. Traction control error. Fans just came on extra loud. Everything's erroring out. But we're over halfway complete, so hopefully this will not take too much longer. Been standing here for about 20 minutes with it on. Alright, is it going to do something now? So I'm assuming that what's being done now is whatever's coming off of here and it's being sent to this device. That's my assumption. Yeah, cool, that's it.